Hello, good afternoon. It is Tuesday, January 5th. Today we are going to talk about transition words, also known as linking words. Transition words are words that you use to signal to your reader or your listener that you are going to add new information, maybe change ideas. Words like first of all, then, next, additionally, in conclusion. They are important to use in our writing, and we also use them in our speaking. On Thursday, I'm going to teach you how to use or create a topic sentence. And we're going to start each of our topic sentences with a transition word. So this is a good time for us to review transition words. And I'm sure you've used them in grades previous too. So I have an Edpuzzle for you today. It's about 3.5 minutes long, so really nice and short, a good review for you. And there are 6 questions embedded in that Edpuzzle. So I'm going to show you where you can find it. I'm in Google Classroom, and you can go to Classwork, and it's right there in the Procon Research Edpuzzle. And you'll see that it's right here. Again, it's about 3 minutes long, 6 questions embedded in it. I don't think it'll take you very long. For those of you that are all the way caught up on your research facts and your thesis statement, this is definitely the next piece for you. And then on Thursday, like I said, I'll teach you how to do create a topic sentence, and we'll be using transition words in that. In fact, we'll be using transition words throughout the rest of the project as we are introducing our facts, as we are talking about the opposing viewpoint of our project, and on our final slide, that in conclusion type of information. So transition words will be really helpful for that. So again, I don't think it'll take you too long. Tomorrow's a PE day, and I will be back on Thursday for topic sentences. If you are behind on research facts or thesis statements, please make sure that you are making a plan to get those caught up, or at this point you will not be able to go further with a project. You will be stuck at research facts or thesis statements until you get those done before you can move on to the topic sentence. So either email me, we can set up a Google Meet any afternoon, or even just through a phone call if that works best for you, email. So let me know what I can do to help you out. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.